Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am showing you how I created my lavender scented face slash body oil. So if you want to see how I created it, just keep on watching. Remember to subscribe, hit that bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. It will truly help out my channel. This product is now available on my website, which will be linked in the comments as well as the description box below. So let's get started with this video. This oil contains grapeseed oil, rosehip oil, and jojoba oil. I have done some research and it is great for oily and acne prone skin. So if that's the kind of skin that you guys have, just go in my website and purchase it, But yeah, so I'm just gonna let you see how I created it. Just to let you guys know, obviously, as always, I sanitize my area, wash my hands, hand sanitize my hands as well. Don't show it in the video because that's just going to be a long video of me sanitizing a whole bunch. I change my gloves like every time I switch, like, not areas, but like every time I switch in between stages, if that makes sense. But I definitely use a lot of gloves. So my main oil is grapeseed oil, which I ended up just using 16 ounces, and then 4 ounces of the rosehip oil as well as 4 ounces of the jojoba oil. And for the face, I put 5 to 10 drops of the lavender because it is going on your face, and then I split up that batch and put another about 30 to 40 drops of lavender oil into the body because it is on the body, so it's fine. But this scent is so relaxing and it smells so good, guys. It's super relaxing when I smell this body oil. And then I ended up having putting lavender buds in it to make it look, a little bit nice. So yeah, that's pretty much what you're going to see me doing here throughout the whole entire video, is mixing everything up and filling my jars. And then at the end, you will see how it's all nicely labeled. Just a quick side note, I do get often a few comments saying that my music is sometimes annoying because they don't know when I am going to start or when I'm going to finish with the music. So I'm just adding this insert in and letting you guys know, cue music for the rest of the video.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out. Shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her? I have to sleep in the bed I made. I don't sleep much at all these days. 'Cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, really hope that you're coming by. But you always